tutorial, we will learn how to do an orthographic view of your final design. So in assembly, where you've put all the parts together, in the top left-hand corner, click where it says assembly, the name of the file, and then right-click and create drawing of assembly. You should choose, for this software, ANSI millimeters.dwt, okay, and existing templates. If you do not see this on your front page, which I doubt you will, go to ANSI. You will have to click on Show Templates, and you will get a list of multiple templates. You want to choose the second one, okay, ANSIAMM.dwt. Okay, there's lots of different ways of presenting working drawings. This is probably the most common one. Down here, click on 4 views, and the software pretty much does everything for you. Click OK. And it will take a few seconds to generate your image and the working drawing. So here you go, but obviously problems with it. You can see that this isn't the correct size, not the right scale. The views are upside down, not a good view up here, so it's not correct. So what I would do is click on this first view, double click, sorry, and just scan through the different view orientations. It will take a few seconds every time, still not quite right. You flick through these, you will eventually find a better view for the first one. That's getting closer, but it's upside down, so it's top. So let's go to bottom. And it should, yeah, that's better. All right. So you've now got that view, and that view generated. It's a bit small, so I would change the scale. Let's try 1 to 3, which looks pretty good. Okay. So I'm happy with that. I don't think there's anything else I need to change here. So accept that. Then click on this object and simply just move it down into the page. You'll find the other views move with it. Move this down a bit closer. Just taking a bit of time here, a bit of lag. Try and move the views a bit closer. You could even then experiment with the scale again by double clicking on them. I will leave them. Some crazy things happening. Yeah, it's a bit slow, be patient, and the drawings will move into the correct position. It's not necessary this view, but it can help to understand the other 3 views. You can get rid of the scale. You don't need to have that underneath every object. You can see down here it actually says the scale, but it's still on 1 to 5 for some reason. I thought the software would have changed that, so double click on it. Delete it and write it in correctly, 1 to 3, accept it. So you got the right scale on the document. That's actually quite important. Then use the dimension tool and start adding dimensions. So roll in. It's important you roll in the points you're trying to add dimensions between. So the center of this, the center of that. Remember to move the dimension away from the object. Don't have it overlapping the object. Move it away and put the number or the dimension in the middle. Still not actually following correct conventions here, but it doesn't really matter. We can probably change that somehow in the properties. So add more dimensions. You need to add quite a few dimensions so to show and explain distances between specific parts. Yeah, there you go. Just move it around until you get add dimensions on different views. And so on. Okay, so you carry on until you've got enough dimensions in here. You can add diameters or radial dimensions, diameter dimensions. So for the wheel, for example, these holes, we know how big they are. Edge. Alright, needs more dimensions than that. But the important thing is don't add too many where it becomes confusing and drag it away from the object. You can create multiple orthographics of each part as well. Okay, so you could create more than one orthographic, produce orthographics of each part, and that can help your teacher understand the overall design. Okay, thank you.